How to view someone's TikTok story without them knowing. First thing first, you just have to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. And once you open it up, all you have to do is simply tap on the inbox icon at the bottom. And from the people that you follow, you usually find all of the story section right up top. In order to view the story without them knowing, you first have to turn off your mobile data or Wi Fi. So basically, go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi network and then simply turn on airplane mode. And after you've done that, you could easily view the story without them knowing. So if I just tap on the story, if the story was loaded completely, I should be able to view the story here. And after that, you can turn on back your Wi-Fi. But if you don't want to do that, there is one other method that you can do. Head over to your profile and then tap on three lines. Head over to settings and then simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and log out of here. Once you log out of your TikTok, you will be able to use TikTok as guest. And you can simply search for the username and view the story as anonymous account, but that is only possible if their account is public. If their account is private, you won't be able to see the story. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.